Are you looking to try Monday.com to make your work easy and sorted? Hang on guys, in this video I will guide you how to get Monday.com 14 days free trial of the Pro plan step by step. Firstly, click the link in the description. That's your access to the official Monday.com free trial page. You can try every paid features like dashboards, automations, integration for 14 days. The best part is that if you go through the link in the description, you will unlock an exclusive 20% discount when you upgrade. And this deal isn't available directly on Monday.com. So let's get started. So after clicking on the link, you will land on the official Monday.com free trial page. Then click on Get Started and you can sign up quickly using your Gmail ID or email. And here you can see there is no credit card required. You get full access without entering any payment info upfront. After sign up and filling your all information, once you are inside, you will automatically on the Pro plan trial for 14 days. What you actually get during the trial. When you activate your trial, you unlock the full power of Monday.com, designed for businesses like yours. You get full WorkOS access, a centralized platform to manage projects, teams, and workflows across departments. Second, advanced automations. Streamline repetitive tasks and save operational hours with custom automation rules. Third, dashboards and reporting. Get real-time insights into team performance, project progress, KPIs, and more through customizable dashboards. Fourth, multiple views. Manage projects your way with timeline, Kanban, Gantt, calendar, and workload views to track resources and deadlines effectively. Fifth, time tracking. Built-in time tracking to monitor how long tasks take. Ideal for billable hours or resource planning. Sixth, unlimited boards and users. Invite your entire team, clients, or departments without restrictions during the trial. Connect to over 200 plus tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Salesforce, Outlook, and Google Drive to streamline your workflows. Eighth, collaboration tools. Share files, tag team members, leave updates, and keep all communication inside your workflows. And with CRM capabilities, you can track leads and sales pipelines, automate follow-ups and deal stages, manage customer data in one place, collaborate across sales, marketing, and support team effortlessly. Now let me tell you about pricing. There is a free plan, perfect if you are solo or testing it out. 2 users max, basic features, and $0 forever. Then comes basic, about $9 per user per month, billed yearly. Great if you want unlimited projects and simple team workflows. The standard plan, $12 per user per month. This is the best for most teams. Adds automations, integrations, and cool timeline views. Pro plan costs you $19 per user per month. Ideal if you need time tracking, private boards, and more advanced tools for bigger projects. And in enterprise, custom pricing for large businesses with more security and control. If you want to see a full in-depth review of Monday.com where I show you how the platform works and if it is actually worth it, then check out the given link in the description and I put that in the I button too. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.